Good day and welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. Today we are going to look at learning in the workplace. Workplace learning is an essential part of personal and professional growth. Learning gives people the confidence to try new things, discover hidden talents, and become more resilient when facing challenges. Unlike school learners, adult learners are generally self-directed, meaning they take responsibility for their own learning and have greater control over how and what they learn. In the workplace, continuous learning helps employees and students remain productive, adaptable, and competitive in a rapid changing world. Workplace learning refers to the process through which employees and students gain knowledge, skills, values, understanding, and experiences to improve their effectiveness at work. It includes formal learning such as training courses, as well as informal and self-directed learning that occurs through everyday experiences. Lifelong learning is essential because advancements in technology, changes in society, and evolving workplace expectations continuously require people to develop new knowledge and skills. Several important concepts form the foundation of workplace learning. Education is broad and focuses on developing a person's knowledge, social understanding, intellectual abilities, and skills. Training is more specific and aims to improve job performance by changing knowledge, attitudes, or behaviors through structured learning experiences. Development is a long-term process that broadens an individual's understanding and helps them reach their full potential. Human resource development focuses on improving the performance of an individual, a team, or an organization by developing expertise. Two important support systems in the workplace learning are mentoring and coaching. Mentoring involves guidance from an experienced person who helps another individual grow professionally and personally. Coaching focuses on helping individuals make positive changes, build self-awareness, and achieve goals by empowering them to make decisions and improve performance. Lifelong learning has become increasingly important because change is constant. There are many benefits to lifelong learning, including adapting to change, improving career opportunities, strengthening critical thinking and problem-solving skills, promoting innovation, and building resilience. Lifelong learners are better equipped to deal with uncertainty and remain competitive in the workplace. There are four important attributes of lifelong learners. The first is aspiration, which is the strong motivation to achieve meaningful goals and continue developing new skills. The second is self-awareness, which refers to understanding one's own strengths, weaknesses, emotions, and behaviors. The third is curiosity, or the desire to explore, ask questions, and learn new things. Curiosity encourages continuous growth and innovation. The fourth attribute is vulnerability, which means being willing to make mistakes, accept feedback, and learn from failures. Vulnerability supports personal growth and resilience. There are different theories explaining how learning can take place. The behaviorist approach focuses on how behavior is shaped through reinforcement and conditioning. Classical conditioning, introduced by Ivan Pavlov, explains how associations are formed between stimuli and responses. Pavlov demonstrated this through experiments with dogs, where they learned to associate the sound of a bell with food, eventually salivating at the sound alone. Operant conditioning, developed by B.F. Skinner, explains that behavior is influenced by consequences. Positive reinforcement rewards desired behavior, while punishment discourages unwanted behavior. The cognitive learning approach focuses on internal mental processes, such as thinking, memory, understanding, and problem solving. Cognitive learning emphasizes how learners process, organize, and remember information. Strategies such as note-taking, mnemonics, and visual organizers support effective learning by helping individuals manage information more efficiently. Humanist theories focus on the idea that learning is personal and subjective. One of the most well-known humanist theories is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This explains that individuals are motivated to fulfill different levels of needs, ranging from basic physical needs to self-actualization. Next, we have the social learning theory, developed by Albert Bandura. This theory explains that people learn by observing and imitating others. Learning is influenced not only by behavior and consequences, but also by social interaction and cognitive processes, such as attention and motivation. Bandura also introduced the concept of self-efficacy, which is a person's belief in their ability to succeed. The theory of constructivism suggests that learners actively construct their own knowledge through experience and reflection. According to this theory, individuals build new understanding based on prior knowledge and experiences. Two important processes in constructivism is assimilation, where new information is added to existing knowledge, and accommodation, where existing understanding is adjusted to include new experiences. Adult learning differs from child learning, and the study of adult learning is known as andragogy. Adult learners are usually goal-oriented and prefer problem-solving approaches that relate directly to their work or life situations. Adults also bring prior experiences into the learning process, which influences how they learn. They have different learning styles, such as visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or reading and writing preferences. In addition, adult learners often balance learning with many responsibilities, including work, family, health, and other commitments. Active learning is another important concept in workplace learning. Active learning occurs when learners actively participate in the learning process instead of passively receiving information. Experiential learning is one example of active learning and includes 4 stages. Stage number 1 is the concrete experience, where learners participate in activities or experiences. The second stage is reflective observation, where learners reflect on and analyze those experiences. The third stage is abstract conceptualization. This is where learners develop theories and concepts based on what they observed. And the final stage is active experimentation, where learners apply new knowledge and test ideas in real-life situations. In conclusion, workplace learning is essential for both personal and professional success. Lifelong learning helps individuals adapt to change, improve their skills, and remain competitive in modern workplaces. By understanding different learning theories, approaches, and the unique characteristics of adult learners, individuals and organizations can create more effective learning environments that support continuous growth and development. Join me again for Mrs. Band's Study Notes.